What's good, y'all? It's your boy SEVNSIX, and in today's tutorial we're making a beat for Party Next Door. We're gonna be making a smooth kind of lovey beat similar to like a Persian Rugs or Come and See Me. I'm gonna try to go for like an old school party vibe. So I'm gonna be using like some real intricate sounds, and I'm just gonna try to put a nice sounding track all together today. So yeah, let's get right into it. First things first, when you're making these PND tutorials, you're gonna want like a nice, you want like some nice sounds, like some very melodic sounds, like pads, some moogie basses, some really like spacey, eerie keys. That's pretty much PND's like staple sound. So you're gonna want to like go through your sound selection a little bit, get some real nice like harmonic melodies going, and I mean that's pretty much what you're gonna need for these PND tutorials. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna drop the BPM of the song, or the tempo, to 100 because it's about his vibe right there. So we're gonna go to 100, and then I'm gonna pull up Omnisphere. I already got a sound loaded up, kind of in the style of PND. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some keys in, and we're gonna start putting this beat together. So. So that's gonna be like the whole kind of melody. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add like a moogie bass underneath, just to give it more of like an undertone. So we're gonna pull up Nexus. Let's see, Nexus right here. And then I'm gonna go through some of my custom presets, just see what sounds good. Okay, I think we're going to stick with that bass, but I'm going to go into my mode, and then I'm going to pick the LGT, which is going to give it a slide legato. It's going to sound like this now. And we're going to throw some keys in at the bass notes. Okay, so I think as far as melody, that's going to be everything. Now we're going to start adding in our drums. So for the drum selection, I mean, you can go for pretty much like a dance hall kind of vibe, or even just like a simple like Toronto sound, because I mean that is Party gets a lot of his sound, and Drake gets a lot of his sound from Party. They all kind of like intertwine with each other. So I'm going to pick out a kick. gonna throw in some hats in there to give it like a clock noise. We're gonna do for like the ticking effect. Almost sounds like a clock going off. So let's get like a nice. Let's do this. So what I'm doing here is I'm alternating every other hat, bringing down the volume so it gives it rocking effect. Now we're gonna add some variation in here in the hats, probably some slides and stuff. So. Okay, I think we're gonna add an open hat in here just to add a little bit more, swagger to the beat. that's it for all the elements in the beat. Now we're just gonna structure it out now. So load everything into the mixer. Okay, and then split by channel. So of course we're gonna start off with the melody first. Okay, so that's pretty much the entire beat. As far as these PND beats, not a whole lot really goes into them. PND likes to keep his style kind of really simple, but still intricate, you know, complex at the same time. So, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much everything that goes into, you know, a tight beat for him. If you just want like a really nice melody, probably like a very, you know, a dark bass, maybe even an 808, that'll work. And then his tempo is really slow, so the drum patterns are pretty simple. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, you know, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, share. We're dropping more content on this channel. We just recently released our fall collection for our merchandise, so we're gonna have that link in the description. Yeah, we're just gonna keep doing our thing. We're gonna drop, you know, as much content as we can. Looking at a couple videos this week. So yeah, that's everything for me. I'm SEVNSIX. I'll catch you guys later.